Hello students of Standard 10. Once again welcome to this YouTube channel of Mount Brescia. I am here with your English class. Do you remember which chapter we are going through? We are going through from a chapter in First Flight from the Diary of Annie Frank. It is a autobiography of Annie Frank, who has written this writing in a diary. He has maintained a diary. I have told you he belonged to a Jewish family, and during the Second World War, she was along with her family and 4 other friends have been locked inside his father's office. Otto Frank, her father name was Otto Frank. So she has been inside that office for 2 years, and that time only she has written her experience. She was 13 years old. So she says that Annie Frank always thinks that writing a diary is a strange experience for her. She has never written anything like this before. She feels that no one else except her will be interested in the musing of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. She writes it for herself. She wants to get all kinds of things off her chest. Means, she says that writing a diary by a mere 13-year-old girl is just, everybody will not care about it. Nobody will care to read about the diary of a 13-year girl. But her experience of a 13-year girl, what she experienced, her feelings, that she has mentioned in the diary. So she said that whether anybody reads, likes or not, she wants to write to get off the feelings from her chest in a writing. Means she wants to get off, takes her feelings from her chest in a writing, because she do not have any friends. She said, I have friends in my school. There are many friends with whom I can tell as a friend, but nobody is her best friend. She cannot confide on the others. She said that I have many girls like my age whom I call as friend, but nobody is my best friend. It might be that this is the fault of her only, that she could not confide on others. Because the reason you can understand, she belonged to Jews, and whom she can confide. She was born in Germany, but as a Jewish girl. So she cannot express her feelings to the others. What other things about her she could not understand. Somebody might conspire against her. So she says it might be her own fault that she could not confide. And this is why she has started writing diary. She started writing her diary. She has given a diary a name, because every best friend have their nickname. So in the same way, she also gave the diary its nickname. And she has given that name to a friend called Kitty. Kitty. She said that she has 30 people whom she can call as friends. She has a loving family, her aunts, and a good home also. She has loving parents and a 16-year-old sister, Margot. But still she feels all alone. She can only talk about ordinary things with friends. Ordinary things, how she bathed, how she came to school, what she is doing this time, that time, what she likes, like this. But her feelings inside her chest she could not confine on others to share. They are not able to come closer. No friend. She could not able to come closer to her friends. And this is the problem. Why she has taken diary as her best friend, you know? Because she says a sentence that paper has more patience than human beings. Why she says so? Because according to her, and it is a true fact, that when you start writing, you write whatever you want. You share your anger, you share your sad feelings. Paper will never tell you to stop. But when you share your feelings, anger, your problems with your friends or with any human beings, whoever it is, whoever closer to you, they will listen to you till he or she feels interest in it. As soon as she feels bored or anybody gets bored to whom you are delivering, they will not listen to you. They will talk ill of you behind you. They will try to avoid you. So, to avoid those circumstances, Annie decided to write diary and keep diary as her best friend, because she can have faith and confidence on writing on a paper. Because she knew that paper cannot conspire against her. Paper cannot tell anything secret of her secret which she want to share in the paper. That things cannot be leaked out by a paper. So she kept diary as her best friend. So I advise you people also, my dear students, try to start writing diary from in this lockdown. You can share your feelings after 10 years. You can understand what has happened in this lockdown to you, to your family, to the neighbors. But if you share your feelings, people will also forget. And what is happening there, everything you are seeing in the TV, you want to share it, nobody is getting interest. But your feelings sitting at home, how you feel in these 55 days, you can write in a piece of diary. Your diary will never say, stop, I am getting bored. So, in my next video. Thank you.